Hey guys, what's up? So today on Redneck Hustlers Club, we went on Facebook Marketplace and we bought this Yard Machine Edger. So this did need a little bit of work. We did have to put a spark plug in it and fresh gas, but we got it for 30 bucks. So we took it out today all day long as we could. I think we put a 10-hour day in, and we made $400 with this thing. We were charging between 30 and 50 bucks for edging, depending how bad it was, if it had ever been done before. So yeah, really good day. Very low initial startup cost. We went door to door, knocking, hey, do you want the edging done? If you seen it was really bad, if we seen it was really overgrown, we went up and asked them. This is a good way to make money. If you don't know how to do edging, look it up. There's tons of how-to videos. There is a few things you need to learn. There is a blade up here that spins. It can ruin concrete. It can throw rocks, so you have to be very cautious when using it. But it's very simple to use once you understand what you're doing. With that being said, this is a great way to make $400–500 a week. You can do this with some of the other things I've shown you to make money. You can pair this with power washing. You can pair this with lawn mowing. You can pair this with tree trimming, hedging leaves, hedging trees. So this is a great thing to add to your arsenal to make extra money. Stay tuned, guys. We got a ton more videos to come. Lots of ways in America that you can make money being your own boss from your own home. Stay tuned. God bless.